Get out of my face, you're gonna get an arrest.
Okay, take me to arrest.
Okay.
Why?
Here.
Cierra la ventana.
Alright, you're gonna get arrested too for obstructing, alright? Like I told you.
October 24, 2025, a quiet residential street in Florida. A Mercedes weaves slightly, then suddenly guns it into a driveway the moment blue lights flash behind it. The garage door starts closing, with an officer's foot still inside. What follows is one of the most stubborn standoffs ever caught on Bodycam. A woman screaming, "This is my home," while blocking police from the driver, who everyone knows has been drinking. This isn't just a traffic stop anymore. It's obstruction, DUI, and a full-blown lesson in why pulling into your garage is not the same as home base in a game of tag.
Yeah, he's closing the garage on me. Hi!
Hi.
How are you?
Good. Thank you.
Why do you keep trying to close the garage on me?
Just step back, please.
Why?
Just step back, please.
It's a traffic stop.
No, I mean in my home.
Okay, but I saw you on the road.
Yes, but step back.
Okay, I saw you on the road.
No, step back, please.
So I saw you.
But this is my home.
Okay,
Just step back.
Were you on the road? You were driving on the road?
He is, but step back. You're in my home.
Okay, but you're trying to close the garage on me when I'm trying to stop you.
Yeah, but you're in my home.
I'm right here.
Yeah, but you're in my home.
Okay, because you see my lights? That means
Yeah, I do.
stop and wait
No.
for an officer to come talk to you.
Yeah, I can help you. But you're in my home. How can I help you?
Okay,
Let's step back.
Nope,
This is my
nope.
home.
This is a traffic stop, and the traffic stop is to speak to the driver of the vehicle.
But this is my home, my friend.
I get that.
But this is my home. You here? My home.
Okay, so I turned my lights on, and then you try to close the garage on me.
Yeah, because I'm home.
Let's be crystal clear from the start. In Florida, and every other state, a traffic stop begins the moment an officer activates their emergency lights with reasonable suspicion or probable cause. Pulling into your driveway or even your garage does not end the stop.
But I'm not driving. He's driving. But you're in my home.
Exactly, so I need to speak to the driver.
But you're in my home.
So I
Just let's step back.
No,
You're in my home, my friend.
I'm not moving. I need to speak to the driver. It's a traffic stop.
Why? You're in my home.
Because I saw him in the middle of the lane.
But you're in my home. We're home. I'm in my home.
Hey,
Just step back.
yeah, I'm still over here.
Let me close my home.
He's still in the vehicle.
Yeah.
They're trying to close
Just
the garage.
step
But I just
back.
put my foot there to put it
My
up.
friend, you're in my home.
Passenger came out. I was like, "Oh, you're in my home. Get out, whatever." But I'm not gonna let her close the garage. I'm gonna keep putting my foot there. Okay,
My friend, you're in my home.
ma'am, you can go inside. I need to speak to the driver.
That's not gonna happen. Just
Okay,
step
then
back.
he's gonna be arrested for obstruction. You're gonna be arrested for obstruction. You're obstructing an investigation.
What investigation?
A traffic stop. He committed a traffic violation. He was in the middle of the lane before he turned into here. So I need
What
to
are you
speak to the
talking
driver because he's the driver of the vehicle.
We're not sure if he's in the vehicle or not.
No. You need to warrant to me
So
to my home.
what do you think is going to happen?
This is my home.
What do you think is going to happen? You think I'm just going to go away? I'm
You
not
need a warrant.
Courts have ruled this dozens of times. There is no garage loophole. The woman knows her boyfriend has been drinking, she admits it repeatedly, and she's willing to risk arrest to keep police away from him. That single decision turns a routine stop into felony obstruction.
I need to talk to him.
That's okay. That's okay. He's not gonna step up.
Why not?
Because
He's been drinking?
no,
Yes, he has.
no.
You've been drinking, he's been drinking.
I've been drinking, he's not. But I'm into my home and you're...
Okay, so if he hasn't been drinking, we'll complete the traffic stop. I'll see his license and insurance. As long as it's clear, he's good to go. Because he's been drinking.
No, I've been drinking, he's not.
Okay,
But
so
I'm
what's
into
the
my
problem?
home.
It doesn't
No.
matter. It's not a game of tag. There's no safe spot. There's
No.
no.
You're not going into my home. This is my home. You see the line? It's my home. You're not getting here.
Okay.
No, he's not coming out. No salga, no sé qué quiere este güey, pero no va a seguir. No salgas.
Okay, so either he's going to come out the vehicle or I'm going to take him out the vehicle.
You want to?
I do want
This
to.
is my home.
It doesn't matter. It's a traffic stop. Just because you pull in your garage doesn't defeat the purpose of a traffic stop.
I don't know what you want to do.
What am I going to do?
Watch her body language, feet planted, arms wide, repeating, "my home," like a magic spell. This is textbook obstruction through physical interference. She's not just talking, she's physically preventing officers from doing their job. Meanwhile, the boyfriend stays hidden in the car, engine still running, hoping the garage door will make him disappear. Spoiler, it doesn't work that way.
I want him. And
Honestly, I
want-
think you're making a mistake.
Okay, that's okay.
Okay, so you can go inside. I don't need to talk to you.
That's okay. My home.
Huh?
This is lying on my home. You can.
You had the possible 28 for the call.
Okay, so I turned my lights on before you pulled into your garage. Just because you go in your garage does not make it home base.
Yeah, okay. It's home base. No.
It's not. This is not. We're not in kindergarten. We're not playing tag.
No salgas. It's not playing like that.
Okay, so
You need a warrant to go into my home. This is my home. The line there is my home. So you please stop it.
no.
Okay, you do what you want. You do what you want.
All that needs to happen is we just need to talk to them.
No?
That is it.
Central 91-2. What's that plate number?
We wanted to get it.
The standoff lasts minutes, but feels like hours. Backup arrives. The woman keeps stepping forward, pushing officers back, refusing every command. Finally, the inevitable. She's told she's under arrest for obstruction. She still won't move. Officers take her into custody, calmly, professionally, but firmly, while she screams, "This is my home," one last time. The boyfriend? He finally steps out and fails every field sobriety test. DUI confirmed.
So, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Is like a kid in the car? Is that why he can't speak for himself?
No, it's not a key.
Okay,
But
if
you
he
know
can
what?
speak for himself,
It's not gonna happen.
it's eventually going to happen.
Eventually
It's a traffic stop. It doesn't
Okay.
matter if you pulled in your own garage. It's still a stop.
No, it's my home. You cannot come in.
Where's your car stopping at?
As they were pulling in.
Why is he not getting out of the car?
You're stepping into my house. Why?
So, like I said, he's gonna step
Why
out.
are you
Step out of the
stepping?
car, you're under arrest.
Why are you stepping into my
You're under
house?
arrest.
No, why are you stepping into my house?
Because he's drunk.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is.
I can smell.
Why are you stepping into
Get
my
out of my
house?
face, you're gonna get under arrest.
Okay, take me to arrest.
Okay.
Why?
Here.
Cierra la ventana.
Alright, you're gonna get
Why?
arrested too for obstructing, alright? Like I told you.
I haven't.
Go ahead, step off the vehicle.
Okay,
Why are you
tell me
doing
why
this?
you are stopping
You're
me.
into my
It's,
house.
we're over that now.
No, tell me.
You had
why
plenty
you're
of
stopping me.
plenty of chances to talk to me.
No, please.
No.
Tell me,
You're
tell me.
into my house. Oh my God.
Well, okay,
You're
tell me
into
why
my
you are
house.
stopping me.
Why are you doing this? No hagas nada aquí, que no te salga.
9456. Show me out with 02. We got one detained right now.
Okay. Why are you arresting me? I'm not doing anything. I didn't
Because
drive.
you're obstructing an investigation.
No.
Yes.
Okay, I have my lawyer.
Okay, that's fine.
Why are you arresting me?
Woman charged with obstructing without violence. Florida Statute 843.02, up to 1 year in jail. Boyfriend charged with DUI and fleeing, eluding. Attempting to close the garage counts as trying to evade. Both spent the night in jail. The woman's my home defense, courts have rejected it hundreds of times. Example, US v. Santana, 1976, and countless state rulings. Once a pursuit or stop is lawfully initiated on public property, entering private property doesn't terminate it. This myth is surprisingly common and 100% wrong. Here's why it never works. Traffic stops are seizures under the Fourth Amendment. They begin the moment lights go on. Pulling into your driveway or garage is still flight if you're trying to avoid the stop. Obstructing officers, even verbally or by blocking, equals separate felony or misdemeanor charge. I'm home defense has been shot down in court after court. You can't outrun the law by hitting the garage door button. Real statistic, in 2024 alone, Florida saw over 3,200 arrests for fleeing or eluding. Many started exactly like this. This couple turned ugly because two people believed myths over reality. Never try to outrun a traffic stop to your house. It makes everything worse. If police have lawful reason to stop the car, your garage is not a force field. Interfering for a loved one usually gets you arrested too, not them. If someone's been drinking, the safest move is cooperation, not confrontation. This could have ended with a ticket and a tow truck. Instead, it ended in handcuffs and a court date, all because my home isn't the get out of jail free card people think it is. What do you think? Should the woman have been charged with more than obstruction? Was the boyfriend smart to hide, or did it seal his fate? Drop your take in the comments, smash subscribe for more real stories that teach hard lessons, and join patreon.com/MidwestCrime for exclusive breakdowns. Stay safe out there. The law doesn't stop at your driveway.